Hi everyone, my name is Taiwo and I am a full stack developer. I journeyed into this line of field about 7 months ago and it has been a great experience for me and a challenging one as that. But I'm grateful to God that I'm able to, beat the challenges and I'm able to, I'm able to give myself strength that yes, I can do this, and here I am today. Um, I've acquired a few knowledge in web development, and I'm pursuing my career to know more and learn more about web development. What actually made me venture into web development is the fact that I like to know how things work. I've been using websites for a long time now, and I don't know how it works. So all of a sudden, it just occurred to me that I need to actually, know the behind scenes of all these things. And I'm grateful today I'm here. At least I understand few things. I'm still in my learning process, but as time goes on, I know okay, you know I would have more knowledge on web development as in general. So today I'm actually here to present one of my blog applications that I'm working on. It's not finalized yet because I'm still looking forward to add more features to it and in the nearest futures. But for now, I've done so many things on my blog application, and I'm actually here to walk you guys through my blog application. Um, so, firstly, we need to understand that before creating a website, before having an application, there are vital tools you need to have at first before you can dive into web application. Firstly, I'm working using the framework Django and uh, what's it called VS Code as well. And before you can build a web application, you need to have those framework downloaded, and you need to install Python too as well on your command prompt before you can be able to build something. So I've done all of that, and yes, they are all perfectly installed. And you can search more on it if you want to start a project. Start search more on how to install Django, Python, and VS Code. Those are the basic steps you need to take first in order to create a blog application. So, and there are other steps as well too. That is for your beginning. But now, this is the steps you need to take when it comes to. There are some vital steps you need to take. You need to follow. There are some flow you need to follow in order to make sure you are building a blog application. Number one, you have to have you have to have your settings. Your settings has to do with configuration. You need to have your URL. After your URL, you need to have your views. Your views is where all your functions take place. The way you want your blog, the way you want it the way you want it to function. That's where your views take place. So you use your views for all of that, and you have your models. Models is where your where you where you interact with the database. So it's another name for model is called object oriented mapping. So it's just like a mapping to interact with your database, and you have your templates as well. Your templates is where all your codes for your user interface, the way you want the design, the layout of your user interface to look like. That is where you run all those codes in your template. So as time goes on, I'll be walking you all through step by step on how everything follows each other and how everything fall in places. So thank you all, and I'll see you in my next video.